All right, so we're getting started. And this is the spot I picked for the chicken coop. All right, so right there between those two fence posts, it probably won't take up that much space, but I did it, and then I can attach the fence back to each end. The 8 foot is going to be 4 by 8, and the 8 foot is going to be facing the camera, and that'll be the side that has the nesting boxes on it, so you can just lift the lid and get the eggs out without going even into the pasture. So that'll just be back here in the yard part. I'm going to take the old steel with the brush cutter blade, and I'm going to clear some of them saplings and stuff out of there so that we can clear it up. Well, that made short work of it. Alright, so the first day of this, I'm working on this in the afternoons after work. And the first afternoon, you see me cut the fence and clear out all the brush, make me a hole. And then today, this afternoon, I leveled the blocks, built the floor, the frame, and then put this sheet of OSB on top. And then tomorrow morning, we'll get up. Tomorrow's Saturday. So we'll get up and we'll start building some walls. Hopefully we can get the walls up and maybe some trusses. So anyway, there we go. All right, so I got you a playlist here, and it's how I built my cedar raised garden bed. Spring's right around the corner, and this may give you some ideas on how to build your own and just enough inspiration to go ahead and get it knocked out so you'll be ready for that springtime planting. If you like what you've seen here and you want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe now banner. As always, thanks for watching and have a blessed day.